Guys, doon ang casino. Doon. Malaki po ito. The other side of view deck. The other side of view deck. Unti-unti na lumabalabas ang araw, guys. Now, I think it's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock na ba? Shout out sa inyong lahat. We're here in view deck. The other side of the beautiful view deck. You can see around, guys. A big building, tall building, beautiful building, lake, trees, a long lake around there. It's a beautiful lake. This number 1 a view deck, guys. This the beautiful and big view deck. You can see everywhere here. You can see everywhere. Malaki po to, malaki po yan. It's a view deck, the lake.
It's beautiful, but a lot of the times, like, they need to keep it up. Like, a lot of the times it's very dangerous. And they don't, yeah, I've never been, but, like, they need to really, and also for the game room, they spent, like, 2 years renovating it, which is insane. It was really up there. Like, they're not the best in terms of, like, lighting. They're very, and the elevator. No. I think it was like sometime last week. It just took so long. It's like
There's, guys, too much people. Daming dog, oh. Dog. Going back, guys. Let's go. Going back. Ayun, nandun sila. Today is the hiking time. The same thing, the view deck, guys. This vlog is for hiking. And the view deck. This is the tulip. Wala pang flower. Mga tulip. This tulip. Let's go. Walking again. Going back.
Sasanibza. Sasanibza.
Doon na po tayo galing guys. Doon. Doon. Pauwi na tayo. Let's go walking. Continue. Continue, continue. Too much people here walking guys. Number one is walking, walking. Ayan, may kalsada ulit dyan. Papunta sa other side. Sa isang deck ata yun. Papunta sa isang double deck. Isang deck. View deck. Kanal. Kanal na walang tubig. Ganda. Kulay yellow. Hiking, hiking. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Greenish, greenish. Pero wala pang ano ng dahon. Wala pang dahon-dahon. Kalbo-kalbo still. Kalbo-kalbo. May nagpipiknikan doon. May duyan. Walking, walking. Walking, walking pag may time. Walking, walking, walking. Hiking, hiking, hiking. Pauwi na tayo guys. Shortcut na lang tayo. Shortcut. Wala na sa daanan. Tama ng hiking. 2 hours. Nasa semento na po tayo. Nasa semento. Remember nyo guys yung isa kong vlog na sa title is hiking time. Ito po, ito po. Ito, nakarating na ako nga ngayon. Ito, yan ako bumaba nung last time. Yan, yung babaeng bumaba doon. Yan. Dito yung tinuturo ko, sabi ko, next time ulit dito, isang araw. Ito po yung continue nun. Yan. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you. For the second hiking time. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. God bless us all. Thank you so much. Bye. Mama Chup Chup.